13 Windhoek Draft Tri-Nations Rugby Series will see Zimbabwe and Kenya take on each other in the second match of the series on Tuesday evening. Zimbabwe, who lost their opening match against Namibia on Friday, face an uphill battle, as Kenya is currently ranked number 1 in the Confederation of Africa Rugby Lock. The Welwichas beat Zimbabwe 35-26 during the opening match at the Haki Geingob Rugby Stadium on Friday night. The Zimbabweans team vice-captain Letao Jacques told Nampa on Friday after the match that the game against Kenya will be physical.
What do you know about Kenya? How do you feel about them?
Yeah, another physical game. So, we're going to have to be up for that. As long as we stick to our structures, we should be able to come through. Unlucky tonight, but well played to Namibia. They did well.
The Kenyan team, which arrived in the country on Sunday, will also face the Zimbabweans at the same stadium before the final clash in the series against host Namibia on Saturday. Kenyan head coach Jerome Parwater said in a media statement availed to Nampa on Monday that he retained 19 players of the squad, which clinched the African title in Madagascar during July this year. We are in Namibia to do well, and the challenge for us is to do well. We need to be combative up front, Parwater said in the statement. Tuesday's match will commence at 7:30 in the evening, while the match referee will be Jackie Husselman from Namibia.